Welcome back to another episode of Science with Sarah. This week we are doing a black carbon snake experiment. So, what you'll need this week is a metal baking pan, fire extinguisher or hose, which I have located off to the side, sand, powdered sugar, baking soda, a lighter, and lighter fluid. So, your first step is going to be to have a heaping pile of sand in your pan. A little more. Okay, that's pretty heaping. I'm going to take my wrist stuff off. Heap up my pile. Okay. So, I'm going to set that there. In this bag, I'm going to measure out this stuff. This is powdered baking sugar. I almost said soda. That's the other thing we have. So you need a 1-to-4 ratio. So how I think of it is you need 1 tablespoon of this and 4 tablespoons of this. So you're supposed to put it in this bag. I have a lot on pressure. Okay, there's that. Set that off to the side. Now I have this. Okay. Now I will close this. Okay. So I'm going to close this, shake it up really well. So, on my heaping pile, which I'm going to heap up, I'm going to make a little tiny hole. And now I will be pouring 5 ounces of lighter fluid in. 5 ounces is about this much. I colored the water so you can see it. Do not use your household kitchen items to label this. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, I'm going to scoop this forward. I am going to dump my baking soda, powdered sugar mix on top of the lighter fluid and sand. And with my handy assistant off to the side with the hose. And it's raining, so it just adds to the experience. Okay. Is it on? Okay. Here we go. Big Sam! Okay. I'm gonna stand back. Keep the fire fluid right away and do not pour anything on once you have set it on fire. That is bad. Please do this under parental supervision and have a helper with a hose. Okay, ready. Set. Maybe. as you can see, it is now on fire. Going to zoom in. It takes a few minutes for the reaction to start, but soon, as you can see, we have little baby snakes growing from the ashes like a phoenix. So, I can tell you while it's working on its thing. The black snake you are about to be looking at is pure elemental carbon. As baking soda and the sugar decompose, the CO2 gas trapped inside the pockets of black carbon, causing an increase in height. If you're looking closely, you may be able to see holes in the carbon snake, showing where pockets of gas are located. The reaction is exothermic, which means heat is being released as seen by fire and releasing of steam and heat. You can email that to your teacher for bonus points. It's making one. No, right there. There's your carbon snake. It's growing out of the ashes right there. Right there. You can see it growing. It's tiny, but you can see it right there.
Yeah.
If you zoom in, there's a tiny one growing right there. Well, that's all. As you can see, in the center part, we have a big bulb that is being formed. Oh wow, yeah, look at it now. It's growing. Well, I think that's as much as we're gonna get it. But if you zoom in right here, to this little guy, you can see that there are holes in it on the top, right here and here. And this whole chunk just grew out of the ashes. And this part has completely solidified, pretty much. Okay, so that was it for this episode of Science with Sarah. Like I said probably about a minute or two ago, about about all those fun facts about what we just made, how it's exothermic, and how the black stuff is pure carbon that we made. Email that into your teacher and get a bonus point, or maybe two if she's feeling generous since it's the last week of class. And yeah, that was it.